A candlelight vigil for Pakistan flood victims took place on November 3rd in CL50 of Purdue University. The vigil is organized by United for Pakistan Coalition, also known as UFP. They sell candles and t-shirts to raise awareness on campus and collect donations to help victims rebuild their homelands. Rahim Lakhani, the spokesman of UFP, tells us.
The Vigil is our move to stand up in solidarity with not only those who have been affected by the plight of Pakistan, but all people who are trying to rise above disasters, both man-made and natural. Today we have set aside our differences, and we ask you to walk side by side in solidarity for all people who need our support. And of course, in order to show our respect and heartfelt sadness for those who have lost their lives due to the floods or due to the aftermath of the floods.
The Pakistan flood began in July 2010. It has caused approximately 2,000 deaths and left 6 million people homeless. According to Amna Anwar, a volunteer who went to Pakistan right after the flood, villagers are still waiting for clean waters, foods, and medication to fight spreading diseases. Most students who attended the vigil said they came to support the victims from their home country.
Because our parents live there, they try a lot on their own, and we want to contribute to that too, because we're here and we're far away from home. So apart from online donations I've made a few with my limited income, it's nice to have events like these just to contribute.
The vigil ended in a singing from Purdue grassroots band, while everyone holding a candle in their hands, mourning for those who have died from Pakistan flood.
Cleans away what else to leave, he begs to stay.